Today we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a car that brings together classic aesthetics with modern performance. Let's start by talking about the exterior of this beautifully designed machine. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 Karmann Ghia is its gorgeous, retro-inspired design. Volkswagen has done an incredible job of blending modern elements with the iconic look of the original Karmann Ghia. The sleek, low-slung body features smooth curves and subtle lines that harken back to the 60s, but with a fresh, updated twist. The front fascia is characterized by a wide, gently sloping grille and a pair of elegant LED headlights that offer a modern touch while staying true to the car's heritage. The profile is dominated by its sweeping, coupe-like silhouette, giving it a sophisticated, sporty look. At the rear, the clean lines continue with a hint of a subtle spoiler and LED taillights that complement the car's overall stylish design. The 2025 model is available in a variety of classic and contemporary color options, each one beautifully highlighting the curves of the body. The fit and finish of the exterior are top-notch, with tight panel gaps and high-quality materials that reflect the attention to detail Volkswagen has put into this car. Now, let's move inside, where the interior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia continues the theme of blending the old and the new. The cabin features a mix of premium materials such as leather upholstery, soft-touch plastics, and brushed aluminum accents, creating an upscale feel throughout. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, with a digital display that houses all the important driver information. The analog gauges pay homage to the original design, while the modern infotainment system sits in the center console, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all the connectivity you'd expect in a contemporary car. There's also an available premium sound system for those who want a more refined audio experience. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with a driving position that feels sporty but not overly aggressive. Space is ample for both front and rear passengers, making this a surprisingly practical option for a car that focuses on style and performance. The rear seats are a bit tight for taller passengers, but for most people, the interior strikes a nice balance between comfort and aesthetics. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is equipped with a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. At the heart of this car is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers around 250 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This powertrain strikes a great balance between efficiency and fun-to-drive dynamics. Acceleration is quick, and the car feels nimble around corners, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and light steering. The all-wheel drive option provides additional confidence when tackling slippery or uneven road conditions. For those looking for something more performance-oriented, there's also an available electric version of the Karmann Ghia, which provides instant torque and an impressively smooth, silent driving experience. The electric motor in this variant offers around 300 horsepower, making it even more responsive than the gasoline-powered model, while offering zero emissions, of course. The driving experience of the Karmann Ghia is a unique one, as it combines the classic Volkswagen charm with the latest automotive technology. The ride quality is firm but not overly harsh, allowing the car to feel planted while still absorbing bumps in the road with ease. Whether you're cruising down a highway or winding through back roads, the Karmann Ghia offers a fun, engaging drive with plenty of road feel and feedback. Additionally, the car is equipped with various safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, ensuring that you have peace of mind while enjoying the driving experience. As for pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia starts at around $35,000 for the base model, which comes with the standard turbocharged engine and a well-equipped interior. If you opt for the electric version, expect to pay a bit more, with prices starting at approximately $45,000. Fully loaded models, which come with premium features, a larger infotainment screen, and additional performance enhancements, can climb up to $55,000 or more, depending on the options you choose. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a stunning blend of classic design and modern performance, offering a unique driving experience that's both practical and fun. Whether you're a fan of the original Karmann Ghia or someone looking for a stylish and efficient car with plenty of character, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. It's a true testament to Volkswagen's ability to create cars that are both timeless and forward-thinking.